Hey everyone, in today's video I've just got a quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to change the blade on a Contractor table saw. I'm going to be doing it on a Delta table saw, but the process is very similar for other models too. Let's get started. So this is my table saw. It's a Delta 366023, and you're just going to want to start by pulling out this plate here. And it does have a little tooth in the back, so you kind of have to pull it up and forward towards you. And then I like to raise this blade all the way up. And just a quick note, make sure your cable is not plugged in before you get started. That probably should be my first step, but just as a safety, you want to make sure that that's not plugged in. So next, go ahead and get this blade raised all the way up. And that should just give you a little bit easier access. And on my table saw, the wrenches that you need to do this are here on the side. So there's just a little wing nut behind these that you have to loosen, and then you can remove the wrenches. So once you have your wing nut off, then you can pull the wrenches off. So we have two wrenches here, and this first one here is going to slide over this nut here. And our other wrench, this one here, is going to slide on the other side of the saw blade. So you'll kind of have to stick it down here, and you may have to move it around a bit, and then it will slide into place. And what that's going to do is allow us to hold that one in place while we pull on the other wrench, and then that's going to allow us to release the tension from that nut on the blade. And some of these blades have a little button or lever to keep the saw blade locked, but in our case we just have a second wrench, but they serve the same purpose. And just to create a little extra space, I like to release that riving knife lever as well. So now to release the nut that's holding the blade in place, we're going to push that left one all the way forward, and then we're going to pull back on the one in our right hand. And then that will break free that nut, and then we can loosen that all the way, remove it, and then pull our saw blade off. So we're going to remove the nut and then the washer, and you'll see there's a flat side and a kind of rounded side on these washers. And just a note for when you install your new blade, the flat side is the side that goes against the blade. So now we can remove our old blade, so we just pull it off there. And this is the factory blade, and you can see it is pretty worn. And the new blade I'm going to be installing is this CMT 10-inch table saw blade. These are pretty highly rated online, so I'm excited to see how it works. And so when installing, you'll see that there's some arrows on the blade. Those arrows should be pointing towards you. So you're going to want to fit that right back on the post, and you can slide it right on, making sure those arrows are pointed towards you. Then you can slide your washer on first, make sure to put that flat side against the blade, and then finally we can install the nut on top of that. So before using the wrenches, I like to get it hand tight, and then we're basically just going to do the opposite of what we did before. So in this case, I'm going to pull the wrench on the left towards me, and then the wrench on the right, I'm going to push forward to tighten that down. So once you've gotten that tightened down, then you're just going to want to flip your riving knife lever back down, and you can install your plate back in place. And last but not least, I'm just going to put these wrenches right back where they belong so I don't lose them for next time. And that should be pretty much all you need to swap out your table saw blade. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful.